Hey friends, in today's video we will simplify two of the most confusing topics, that is smoke versus sanity testing and regression versus retesting. So we will be using some real life analogies and simple examples so even a very beginner can easily be able to understand and remember it forever. So let's first start with smoke versus sanity. So let's take one example. Imagine you ordered a burger from an online app. So, smoke testing is like, did the app open properly? First thing. And can I log in, search, and place an order? If this fails, so there is no point in checking anything else. That means app is broken. So this is called smoke testing. And if I talk about the sanity testing, so sanity testing is like, I updated the burger ingredients today. Let's quickly check if only that part is working fine. So you could say that smoke is basic details, or you can say the basic check of system stability. And if you say about sanity, so sanity is focused check after small change. Fine. So we can say that smoke testing is a quick shallow test to make sure the application is stable enough to test further. And usually smoke testing is done after every new build is deployed and it checks is the app alive and working. Now if we talk about the sanity testing, so we can simply say it is a narrow deep test to verify specific bug fixes or new features are working, and it checks that did this specific part worked after the change. Fine. So if we compare the smoke with the sanity testing, see, if I say that did this specific part work after a change, so there is a scenario in this. Let's suppose a change is made, so you need to deeply test that particular module that you are not facing any issue. Fine. So if I compare smoke with sanity, so let me quickly make an Excel on this. So in that Excel, I'm going to explain you quickly the about like feature, the purpose and everything. Okay. So first thing is feature. Second thing is smoke testing. And third thing is sanity testing. Perfect. So like if I talk about the purpose, so smoke testing basically checks basic stability. Okay, so it basically checks the basic stability. And if I talk about the sanity testing, so it is very specific functionality. Okay. Now if I talk about another feature, so like done after. So basically smoke testing done after every new build, and sanity testing is minor bug fix or feature update. If I talk about its scope, so this is wide and shallow, and if I talk about sanity testing, this is narrow and deep. Okay, let's increase its font a bit. Fine team. If I talk about smoke testing is basically performed by either by developers or testers, but sanity is always performed by testers only. And if you talk about the automation, so this basically always automated, and in case of sanity it can be manual. It depends. Okay, it can be manual. So let's say your app has login, add to cart, and payment modules. So after a build, you run smoke testing. In smoke testing, you will check, can I log in? Can I add to the cart? Can I pay? And after fixing a bug in payment screen, you run sanity testing. Is that payment fix working? And basically focusing only on that particular part in a very deep way. So smoke testing is like checking if your car starts, and sanity testing is like checking if the new mirror you added is working or not. I hope you understood. So I just giving a lot of examples. So both are basically important. One checks the overall health of an application and other checks the specific repairs. Now, second topic is regression versus retesting. So retesting is, we can say, let me test that exact same coupon scenario again and see if it works now. Let's suppose in the previous build you got some coupon scenario failing. Okay, so in that case, let me test that exact same coupon scenario again and see if it works now. Okay, and if I talk about regression, so regression is something, let me also check if other areas, okay, let me also check if other areas like cart, payment or login are still working, just in case that fix broke something else. Perfect. I hope you understood. So simply we can say retesting is like rerunning the same test that failed earlier after the issue is fixed. So it checks, did the bug really got fixed? So it focuses only on the bug. And regression testing is testing the unchanged parts of the software to make sure the new changes didn't break anything else. Perfect. So it's broad, it covers more areas. So quickly, if we talk about the retesting and regression testing, retesting and regression testing. with its feature. So we'll check its purpose. So retesting is verify if a specific bug is fixed. And regression testing is check that nothing else got broken. If we check its scope, so it's just narrow, just the bug. And regression testing is wide, that is with many features. If we check about based on, so this is basically based on bug report, and this is basically based on new build, new features and fixes. And if we talk about test cases, fine. So this is basically same test case as failed ones. And this is regression is old and new related test cases. Fine. Both the cases priority is high only. So let's say earlier applying a coupon gave an error. In retesting, you just check, can I now apply the same coupon successfully? And in regression, you also check, can I check out, is total calculation working fine? Is login still okay? Just in case the fix caused some side effects. So this is the, like basic understanding of smoke. So smoke is like something like is like quick checkup of an application that whether it is stable or not. We are not facing any blocker issue. Then in Sanity, basically we do a quick check if a feature fix worked. We do a deep testing. In retesting, basically we check if a bug is fixed, and in regression we check if anything else got broken due to previous fixes. So you can remember like this, as I told you, like smoke is basically the start check, Sanity is specific fix check, retesting is bug check, and regression is full health check. So I hope you liked this session, and if this helped you understand these confusing testing terms, then please give it a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more SDET and upcoming videos. Thank you all. Thanks everyone.